Here's how I added a pitch shifter VST to my microphone in OBS.
Yeah, this shit's too funny.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google, type in PitchProof, click on this first link. This should show up here, aegeanmusic.com. Go down here and download this Windows exe file, I'm sorry, this zip file. And then you're going to open that in the folder and go in here and click open with. Then I go to Windows Explorer. This kind of makes it a little easier as well. And then you're going to take all these right here and you're going to press Control and then N to open a new window. You're then going to go to your C drive, go to Program Files, and you're going to want to make a folder called VST Plugins. Capital V, capital S, capital T, capital P, and then everything else is lowercase, just like this. And then you're going to open that folder, right? And then we're going to take these files and we're going to copy them and then paste them down here. Now I already have them in here, so I'm not going to paste that. But you're basically just putting that into a plugins folder that OBS is going to recognize. Now, once you do this, you're going to want to restart OBS if you had it open already. If you didn't have it open, just open OBS. And then you're going to go down here where your microphone is. So this is just picking up my microphone. And I'm stuttering a little bit right now because I'm monitoring it to make this video. So it's kind of throwing me off. But anyway, so you're going to go down here, click on filters, and then you're going to add this VST2.x plugin. So you're going to click the plus sign, add this VST2.x plugin. You can name it whatever you want. We'll say it pitch, right? We'll just name it pitch. You're then going to click on this little drop down menu right here, and you're going to see PitchProof in there. Now I installed some other ones at some point, and right now this video is just for PitchProof, so
we're gonna make that PitchProof, and as you can see, it has changed my voice. So I can go in here and I can change this. We're gonna change it all the way to wet. All the way to wet. So now my voice is like really high. So if I wanted to make it lower, I'd hit this little drop down menu on the left and we'll do -2.
So now I'm at a -2 pitch and I'm able to lower my voice. Now, if you wanted to make it sound creepy, you could turn up the wet here and kind of give it 2 different voices, and you can change the pitch shifter. You can change the key. So if I wanted to be in F, I can be in F. If I want to make it lower,
I can make it lower. I can make it higher.
I can make it really low. You know, I sound like one of those like sexy musicians. So yeah. Oh yeah.
Anyway, this is closer to my actual voice, and this was actually really cool to figure out how to use. But now you can add a VST plugin to OBS to change the pitch of your voice. And
have some fun out there, guys. Peace.